Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, East Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ludlow, or 7 miles east of Chicopee, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Belchertown and Palmer around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where Warren and Pelham around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, West Brookfield around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Hardwick and New Braintree around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Stir up delicious with Starbucks Premium Instant Coffee.